Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Avery and this is Avery's World. Today we'll be doing another jewelry unboxing, but it'll be a little bit different because we'll be featuring some J.Crew jewelry and some sterling. I've already gone ahead and opened the box that I received in the mail to save us some time. So now let's get into our first item. Okay, so we have these beautiful anchor earrings with freshwater pearls done in a silver tone metal with a hyperallergenic post. Very nice. Great for, a vacation trip or something like that. Next up we have these other earrings by J.Crew, and they've got some gold circles and intertwined with some matte off-white circles. Very nice. Very regal. Up next we have a bangle from J.Crew, and the interior is gold and the outside is a matte red. Not sure what the material is, might be plastic, not really sure. It measures 2.5 inches across and it's very nice. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up. Our next item here is a quartz necklace with a pearl. It's done in a gold tone metal and it's very nice. It says balance and harmony on it, and it is a clear quartz. Very nice. Definitely bohemian type of jewelry. Okay, so our next J.Crew item is this beautiful chunky chain, and the clasp is right there. You can see that. It's kind of like a hidden clasp. Interesting. And let's measure it. Let's see how long this is. It's about 19 or 20 inches. It's very nice. Okay, now let's get into some of our sterling items. By the way, if you're interested in purchasing anything, you can always go to my Poshmark page, or you can send me an email. Okay, so we have this twist sterling bracelet. It's sort of like a cuff. It's pretty heavy, and I really like this one. I might just keep this one for myself. And let's get a measurement here. It's 2.5 inches. Okay, let's go on to our next item. Another sterling cuff type bracelet. And I really like the sort of cutouts on that. Very nice. And let's get a measurement. It's 2.5 inches across. And our final item is another bracelet. It has some beads on it that move, and it's definitely very nice for everyday wear. Very pretty. And let's get a measurement for this as well. And it is 2.5 inches across. Okay everyone, see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!